In this video, I'm happy to overview the DoControl Shadow Apps capabilities, hopefully help you understand how we help govern OAuth tokens on the Google Workspace ecosystem with granularity in place. First of all, what are the challenges we're facing here? First thing first, employees sign up all the time with their Google Workspace account to all kinds of different services, right? And when they do so, they grant those services API access to Google Drive and Gmail and Calendar, all through OAuth 2.0 authentication flow. The problem is that now information security has to understand what is a risk, what service is overprivileged, are they approved or not approved? And the problem is that this process is extremely manual, right? Given that you identify a risk, detecting, responding, remediating, and even engaging with the end user about it, it's just very time consuming and definitely not sustainable when you have hundreds and thousands of employees. Question is, what can we do about it? The first thing that DoControl does is a full discovery of all the OAuth tokens installed by employees and admins. From there, DoControl performs advanced risk profiling to enrich OAuth token metadata with permission scope, usage, API calls, and more. From there, DoControl enables bulk remediation for all kinds of OAuth tokens you want to remove in the hundreds and thousands. Inactive tokens, high privilege, high risk, not approved. DoControl allows you to remove them with a click of a button. Additionally, DoControl streamlines new OAuth token installation based on webhook events. So whenever an employee installs an OAuth token, DoControl gets the event, perform risk profiling, provide the context, and even able to engage with the end user to get the context about whether or not this app should be approved. And lastly, DoControl really empower users, delegate the security responsibilities to end users, self-service via Slack bot to help information security detect and respond to OAuth tokens at scale. These are some of the customers who use DoControl to govern OAuth token in Google Workspace. Let me show you how it looks like. Here's the page in which we provide a full discovery for all the different OAuth tokens. You see we have almost 600 of those in our environment, 27 of them are inactive, 21 are risky, 25 were removed and reinstalled by employees, and so on. You can see that we are providing the app risk for each of those. So for example, if I open, let's say, Skyvia, you can see that the risk score is 8. Now let's understand why. First of all, the publisher of the app is a Gmail account, not a business account. Not great. From Czech Republic, right? The risk itself, extensive permissions to a variety of services, right? And we see the API is coming as well. And so you can clearly see the risk score for each and every app across your entire environment. And from here, you can filter all those apps. Let's say you want to filter all the apps with a risk higher than 7. And from there, you can select which of them that you want to remediate. And that's it. Remove and clean up. The second thing is for each app, for example, this one is Retool, you can clearly see the users who are using those apps and how extensively they use them. So this user, for example, is an extensive use of Retool, but those are not, right? So unnecessary tokens, definitely. The last thing is the automation. So whenever a new app installation event occurs on Google, it's being streamlined to Google directly. And what we do with it is we check if the risk score is greater than 7, it's a condition that is customizable. We can ask the end user via Slack with all the information, hey, this is the app, this is the permission, are you sure you want to install it? If they say yes, we can wait for 30 days and ask them again. If they say no or don't answer, that's it. We can remove it. Everything is automated, everything is contextualized from the risk score to the token itself and to the end user context. I hope it's been helpful for you. Thank you.